Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Stop and ensure the firearm is unloaded before any handling. Verify chamber and magazine visually and physically. Do not rely on memory. Keep the muzzle pointed in a safe direction and finger off the trigger at all times. Work on a stable surface with bright lighting and a clean layout for parts. Wear eye protection and hearing protection if nearby activities produce noise. If you feel uncertain at any step, pause and contact a qualified professional for guidance. Understand federal and state regulations before altering or disassembling any firearm. Some states require permits, storage rules, or license transfer documentation for any work. Modifying components can change legal status and may require registration or export compliance. Always keep documentation for serial numbers, bills of sale, and permits in a secure location. Transport firearms according to law and consult local law enforcement or an attorney for clarity. When in doubt, follow conservative interpretations. Do not attempt step-by-step mechanical disassembly instructions from unverified online sources. Seek a certified gunsmith for any takedown procedures to ensure safety and compliance. A qualified gunsmith will inspect, document, and perform work with appropriate tools and training. Expect to pay a professional fee. Typical inspections may range from $5 to $50, depending on services requested. Ask for proof of credentials and insurance before work begins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.